Going over to Vancouver Island for a second time, I didn't really know what to expect. After exploring the southern part of the island, I went up to Campbell River to make a whale watching tour. I've been to many of these tours before and saw a lot of animals, but never actually got to see a whale in real life. And also this time, it seems that I didn't have any luck. We were driving around for hours with no whale in sight, and I started to lose faith. But our tour guide didn't give up and kept driving around the Strait of Georgia. And then this happened. Right next to our boat there was a 2-meter fountain going off, and there it was, an amazing humpback whale. After seeing more wildlife, the tide came in and created this amazing swirls you don't want to get caught up in. Now on this trip I got to understand for the first time how insanely wide the landscapes are here, and I once more realized how truly beautiful BC is.